But we do need a controller for it, so let's generate that. It's plural because it's a resource. And then I'm going to put the backslash here, which is just a continuation character. And then I am going to want to edit these things. These account activations, we're going to be changing their status from inactive to active. Ordinarily, you would do that with an update, but as we'll see, there's a limitation in browsers that we're going to have to issue a GET request to an edit rather than a patch to an update. So that means I'm going to want an edit action. And we'll actually end up redirecting at the end of the edit rather than rendering a page. And that means that the default generated test would actually fail. So I'm going to skip the test framework with this flag, no test framework. This is the kind of thing that with experience you'll learn which things you want to do at the command line here. It wouldn't have been a big deal if we hadn't added these, but this is convenient for our purposes here. To get a sense of where we're going, let me show you the kind of route we're going to use in the account activation email. Just get a place to type here. So there's going to be a link like this, edit account activation URL. Now ordinarily this would be something like the account activation object. And you recall we can do this, like this. Might do something like this. But in this case, the account activations won't be active record object, so we're going to give it something else. We're going to give it a token. And then there will actually be some other parameters. We don't have to worry about these details right now, but I just want to give you a sense of what the route's going to look like so that we can do this. We can define our route for account activations. It's going to be resources, account activations, and we're only going to need edit.